Hello. So I've seen this issue happening to a lot of people, and some people don't know how to fix it. So I'll be telling you how to fix it. So server is running a newer version of the downtown expansion workshop file. So what you do is you go to workshop, go to manage, then you search for the mod over here, downtown expansion, this one right here. What you do is you do browse files, the files open, you press on this, and you just fucking you delete the folder. Now you just quit Unturned and you launch it again. Okay, now that we've launched Unturned, just go to play, multiplayer, and join the server experiencing issues on. For me, it was Project X Life RP. Uh, just press join, then the expansion just downloads itself again, and that should fix the issue. Okay, now as you can see, the issue is fixed. This works for any other issues you get, like say outdated mods or the mod like has missing assets. This usually works. Um, and yeah, and I also forgot to mention, you can always try verifying game files. Uh, that usually fixes the issue. But if it doesn't, just manually delete the folder and let Unturned download it again when you join the server. This usually happens because the mod owner updates their mod, and then your client just refuses to download the new mod. So what you gotta do is manually delete it, and then you join the server, and then it just downloads itself. And yeah, that usually fixes it for me. Alright, now I'll be showing you a second issue which people have been experiencing, um, which is conflicting mods. It usually happens when you download a lot of mods and join a lot of servers. This usually happens and it's an easy fix. There's no need to like uninstall, then reinstall and all that shit. It's a simple fix and I'll show you how to fix it. Uh, it says client and server disagree on asset, depends on what asset the issue is. Ruined pans, configuration, etc. etc. Usually this means the files are different version. So basically what this means is sometimes mods can conflict with each other. So that's why you get this error. And how to fix this error is pretty simple. Instead of having to uninstall mods and re-download them again, it takes time and sometimes it doesn't fix it. What you gotta do is you go to workshop, go to manage. And as you can see I have checkboxes here, right? You see I have these ones checked, for example. These are for a specific server I'm playing. So for example, I go here, multiplayer, and I'm playing Project X. Now, when you join another server, for example, let's say Nilex, for example, Nilex has a server list for its mods. It has the mods listed here. So let's say you're getting the error because you have a lot of mods downloaded, for example. So this has like clothing expansion, more farming mod, layered clothing, objects, creator tools, etc. etc. So what you do is you go over here, workshop, manage, and you check everything that's related only to Nilex and uncheck everything that's unrelated. Then you just relaunch Unturned and that fixes the issue. So you get no conflicting mods with each other. And if you want to join another server, for example, you just check everything. If you get no error, then you're fine. If you get an error, then you uncheck everything and check only the ones that are on the server you want to play. And remember, after unchecking them and checking them, you should always restart your game, and that fixes the issue. And yeah, have fun playing. Okay, we've gotten to the last part of the video. So if nothing's working and you're still getting the same issues again, what I would recommend doing is deleting all the folders that are inside your workshop folder. So some people might say reinstall unturned, that fixes the issue. Instead of uninstalling unturned, that doesn't usually fix the issue. All it does is waste your time and there's no need. It's an issue with the mods, not with the game. So what you do is you go to manage, browse local files, go to Steam apps, then workshop, then content, then you press on this folder. Alright, here you open it, then you select all of these folders and you delete them. Okay? Once you delete them, what you gotta do is you go to content, you go to workshop, subscribe to items, and you unsubscribe from all of these. Once you've done that, you launch Unturned, you join the server you want to join and play, and just install everything once again. And that usually fixes the issue. If nothing's get fixed, feel free to send me a DM or send a comment send a comment in the comment section and let me know, and I'll be happy to help you. And yeah, good luck and have fun.